Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got lots of parts for this old girl right here. Let's Thanks for tuning in once again. Got another update on this old girl Wendy right here, my Comanche. I got a lot of parts since I've been away in school. Got lots of boxes cut to some. Got lots of things to do. Some of the things I'm working on right now is getting the new trim here for the door. Got new vent windows to install. On the driver's side, I already started working, just so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do it all. Got new door panels in. Still have to paint these door handles black, but got the new vent windows in. I used to have the fixed glass. I have to put the trims on the inside of the doors. Gotta clean up all this stuff that's in here. Gotta pull it out. Gotta pull the seats out. Got new seat brackets. I got insulation to put in. Have a headliner to put in. Have a transmission mount that has to go in. A lot of good things happening right now. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna get to film, but I'm gonna try and film most of it for you guys and try to get a good video out there for you. On the passenger side, I am replacing the door panels, and this window I'm changing it from a fixed window to the vent window. As you see over there, that's the new door panel. I still got to put the driver's side on, so I'm gonna get that started. The way to remove this vent window is one screw here, one screw here, and then there is a bolt right there. Mine I believe are 10 mil bolts. That's what it was on the passenger side, so I'm going to assume it's the same thing here. So I'm going to get that, and then the easiest way I found to do it is once you have this off, take off all the belt line molding trim thing here. Remove the same one on the outside. Lower the window all the way. Unbolt the window from the track. Well, if you have a manual one, mine are manual. You unbolt the window from a track, let it drop out. Pull it out of this track right here, because this track is incorporated with this window, and it runs all the way down to here. So pull that track out, pull the window out of the track, and then you could just take this whole window, tilt it back, and just slide it out. So I already got this bolt out, the two screws on the top out. So now the next thing is for this nut right here. So this is what holds the window to the manual crank arm. And so what you're gonna do, what I found this to be the easiest way to change that vent window, is to unscrew this. Pop this out of this track, and then you should be able to just pull the vent window out of the way. So let me get that done. Yeah, see, after you take that nut off, you can pop it off and then move it out of the way, and then you could pull the vent window up, kind of tilt it back a little bit, and you can slide it out. So now I have these new trims that go here on the outside of the door and on the inside of the door. So I'm gonna get those on and then slide the new vent window in. Just kind of repeat the process. It just kind of slides into the angle and then down, straight down. Make sure the window catches its track, and that's about it. And then you put the 2 screws on the top back in, the 1 screw down here back in, and it's in. That's what the window looks like installed. That 1 bolt there, the 2 screws there, it just slides in how you took the old one out, and it should fit just like that. Don't mind all the tape. I've painting the door jambs and some of this trim that's out here, the trim that's out here, but that's what it looks like installed. Now I gotta finish putting the door panel back on that side. Door panel is back on this side. I did paint these handles black while I was taping and painting these. I'm doing like 100 things at once, trying to get the most done on this old truck as possible. Next up, I may do the insulation on the inside, so, and possibly the new seat brackets. I gotta clean all this up. Alright, let's get down. Let's check off the next thing off the list. I got the new trim pieces, the exterior and the interior ones, installed already on both sides, as well as the vent windows. Next thing up, I'm gonna be installing the door panels and the painted window cranks. I got that door panel in. I got this door panel in. I got the freshly painted black window cranks in. The vent windows in. I also painted the rain guard shades. They were like a silver color. I painted them black. I got the new trim in here, and the new trim on the outside. Same thing with the other door. I changed the interior trim, changed the exterior trim, got the freshly painted window crank in there.